Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So today I want to do a video about one of the biggest video trends I've been seeing in the luxury community. And that's the endless amount of Hermes unboxings. So in today's video, we will be exploring Hermes unboxing video trends. I don't know about you, but I feel like I've been seeing so many videos on Hermes unboxings in these last few months, which is crazy considering we are in the middle of the pandemic. The biggest thing I wanted to answer through my research was, are we seeing more unboxings for Hermes this year than we are last year? And the simple answer is yes. Of course, this naturally leads into more questions like at what rate and when. Now, before we dig into the data, I'm Jamie. I do videos on luxury and a lot of neutrals every week. I'm also a digital marketer and e-commerce executive by day. I've been doing it for the last 15 years of my career, and I really am more like that digital nerd that just loves the data. So this is really fun for me. Happy to explore this topic. So let's get right into it. Starting off with YouTube, I looked at videos during the time period of 2019 through 2020. And in YouTube, since it is a natural search engine, I performed a variety of search queries. Search queries could be Hermes unboxings, unboxing 2019 Hermes, Birkin reveal, you name it, I did that search query. And it pulled back a lot of interesting results. Ultimately, what I found was we had about over 130 content creators with Hermes unboxings in the course of 2 years. And I do want to add that I did count videos, whether you had a big subscriber count like Lydia Elise Millen, or you have a smaller subscriber base with views. All in all, it's all about if your video topic was relevant for these Hermes unboxings in that course of 2 year span of time. When we compare 2020 to 2019 Hermes unboxings, we see about a 16% increase for 2020. Now keep in mind, if you're a content creator or influencer like Tamara, who has purchased multiple Birkins or Kellys in the course of 1 year, each unboxing video did count as one unboxing. Now, when we dive in deeper at a monthly level is really when we start to see some interesting trends. 2019 seems like pretty steady over the course of a year. However, when we layer on 2020, that's when we start to see big acceleration, especially in that back half. 2020 underperformed in the first half of the year at a rate about down 43%. This is really not shocking considering we were in the middle of a global pandemic, stores were shutting down, and luxury was really not top of mind for a lot of customers. I think what is most shocking is when we look at the back half of 2020, and we can see that there's a huge rebound at a rate of over 83% year over year. That's crazy. So if you're at home wondering, did I see a lot of Hermes unboxings during that month of December? The answer is a big yes, and at a rate of over 300% for the month of December. Granted, this is holiday, and to put it into context, this is Hermes giving customers more Birkins and Kellys, which is typically considered a very coveted bag, and most customers have to jump through hoops to get that Birkin or Kelly bag. But then you hear of some cases where they didn't have any purchase history and they were still able to get that bag. What I would say is, if you are thinking about a Hermes or Kelly bag and you can afford it, now would be a great time to do it. Now let's get into Google search trends. I love using this tool as it gives you a sense of a search term's popularity when you enter it into Google's search engine, and it's relative to the search volume during a certain period of time. When we look at the course of over a year, we see searches for the Birkin bag hold steady. And then we see a high interest in the month of October, which again helps support some of the activity we're seeing through YouTube, another search engine. Okay guys, well that is it for this video. I love to hear your thoughts, and would you like to see similar topics of luxury data and insights in future videos? I'm Jamie, and I hope to see you again in my next video. Take care.